Tapakaw. Soksakile kushuma teila. Alelailiyan patalove. Nakunalehela kimesale.
I'm confident I can deal with any rebel I meet.
Ha! Hatspejo! Mapaktahovet eteli! Keshbe yubatelokisine!
They fight for their survival.
Oh, sinabi ba niyan ang tabaka? Ay, iba kasi yung lingwahe nila. Hindi ko alam kung anong lingwahe. Saan? Anong bansa nga to? Parang Aztec ata to or ano? Uy, may mission giver dito. Anong bansa to? Oo, pero nga kasi Amazon. Pero may ano eh, may tinahanap silang something Aztec eh. Dito. May kinalaman yun sa lore. Oo, Amazon. Ano ba yung Mayan? Tama ba?
All these fallen soldiers.
Wala, ang dami palang rebuilding sumugod.
חדשבנו צ'יקים טופיקונו. צ'ן חומפל בתלילו צ'חל ושונחה.
ואישן עם טוגון. מילנו נוקולוב, מלוב, יתל מישוץ קנסלילובי. צ'וגינו יוחץ, טנטיגסה.
Baka sinubukan nilang sagipin yung ano, anak ng Reyna. Nakidnap yung Reyna. Pero, pero nga eh. Nakalimutan ko na. Nakalimutan. Pero sa bagay, kasi ano to eh, hidden city. Pero ito, hindi ko sure, ibang bansa pa ata to eh. Itong Cozumel. Pero wag mag-alala din ako. Di na kita kagambalain. Wala lang, naalala ko lang. Pero in Mexico maybe. Mexico ba yung merong pista ng patay? Yung may face paint? Yung sa coco? Anong mama coco oiled up? Oiled up, ready to fry. Ganon. Oo, di ba yung ano? Sa coco ba yun? Yung may pista ng patay. Ano ba? Festival of the Dead. Kaya pala siya napadpad sa Peru kasi may hinahanap siyang something Aztec dito sa Peru. Dia de los Muertos. Yon. Kasi yun yung opening ng game eh. Nagse-celebrate yung mga tao ng ano. Fried toyo. Oh my god. Yes. Same. Favorite ko yun. Kahit di niya ako favorite. Tsare. Minsan nga ihaw eh. Anong ginagawa nila? Teka, may monolith.
This describes something nearby. They stand back to back, two brothers in arms. I lie at the feet of the one who watches the shaded serpent.
Pinapagutom niya ako. Almusal na. Maagang almusal. Ako ang nauna pero napunta sa kanya. Agawin mo. I encourage you. Charo. Okay, now that we're in, how do we rescue that kid? Where is that kid? Teka, medyo nalito ako. Hindi ko sure kung yung bata ba yung nakidnap o yung Reyna. Yung Reyna pala.
I discovered the passphrase for the prison where they're holding my mom. Innocent eyes will blink at dawn when weakness falls away.
Understood. We'll get her out, Exley.
There's one more thing. Hakan has been captured. He's my friend Kiara's dad. If he's sacrificed,
I'll see what I can do.
Kaninong atabs? Sa Reyna. Scout siya eh. She's on a rescue mission right now. I have to get Madam out. Kasi, ewan ko ba, bakit bakit na-take over sila ng kulto na to? Siguro sa influence, kasi kapatid siya ng dating pinuno ng tribo na to. So that must be why.
Kujak, chupal, kola batejolnajo.
Ayume, kuntul, kusulmak. Lebetike, yanu, kimil, yolal, basop, ubetmak.
Kasala.
That must be Kiara, the girl Etsley mentioned, which means Hakan is in that cell. I've got to find a way to get him out.
7K na. Ay! Hindi pa re-reflect sa akin. Teka, kawawa naman tong batang to.
Sastenahau, kinalab oltik tech, maalo biltiken, chening kat kachi, intok ilinjum.
I'm not gonna hurt you, Kiara. I'm with the rebellion.
Kentik mati no ka.
Your friend Etsley told me I should help you.
Tu hahil?
Yes. So, why don't you tell me what's happened?
No tata, kitlatlakoltia kukulkan, ikaita nikilis, lenonanan, nikilwik toya astlen, kiwalikaskia, zapamba, sanamo tlakaki, kinekiyaya kimiktis kukulkan, iwanaman yamikis, iwanani mukawas, no seltitsin.
Hey,
He tried to kill
it'll
Kukulka.
be okay, little one. Maybe I can help.
Tu hahil? Janula kusholo of the kiwiko, Beishanta kuyataho, Bale, Hachkakanu yolo, Mashane techhel, awoksik tutukulove.
I'll do whatever I can, Kiara. I promise you. I won't let them take your father from you.
Nip ola lahaw.
Call me Lara.
Okay. Doon ka na, bata. Baka ma-stress na naman ako sa... Nako. Last time na may bata dito, nagkandamatay. Kaya na-stress ako nun. Okay, anong gagawin natin? 7K na ba talaga? Hindi pa lumalabas sa akin na 7K na yung likes. Charot. Tara na nga.
Tanilo bajao. Kimakwawol yetele kimesahilobo.
The executions. Of course, but I need you to stop the prayers for now.
Okay. Itigil nyo yan. 20K na. Ay! Grabe. 8K. Seryoso ba? Baka na naman. Baka mamaya. Uy, pero grabe yan. Thank you so much. I don't know what else to say. And I appreciate that.
I want to free the prisoner, but I can't do it alone.
Mileti leishi kolel tu yalajo nurato. Wakukuchul makimesabe. Kinwanti kujekatik leholo.
Okay, anong gagawin natin? Ito, sino to?
Would you play your instruments for an envoy of the gods?
Hach sikbeni lahaw.
Yan, tama yan. Ito, anong chika, mare?
How? Bale. Magwata tukultik? Concerned? About what?
Cocolcán, San se conclalía miak tlacame, iwan
Not just
kimilise,
rebels.
iwan amo tlahuilanani, iwan no, wali,
You feel there is too much death.
nikamati tohuanti, mati kin makiltikan, ikanopa totiotsitzin, iwan ihkino tonatiu, amo mamiki.
You needn't worry.
Oh.
This wave of death will end soon. Trust me.
Baka daw mamatay yung araw. Kaya marami din silang pinapatay para i-sacrifice. Gogi, no? 6 na views. Talaga? Oo nga, no? Ay, wala. Umalis na yung isa. Kalmahan mo lang sa pagpindot. Baka masira. Diba? Rinig nyo ba?
I'd like to see the prisoner.
Jeta chimpola lahao. Unahin kimesikon tuyalaj kukulkan.
Ay, ayaw ko padaanin. Sige, ayaw nyo ako padaanin, ha? Ay! Nandun ulit
That will
yung
be
mga...
enough prayer for now. Please sound the horn.
Teka, natagalan ako.
Are you still willing to help?
Kena, salmamo ikonikan.
Ah, okay.
Now, would you play as I requested?
Okay, pag nawala yung mga guards. Layas na, dali!
Kushbele pash? Kanukuchu lukini luyuchu lekimesaho?
Okay. Saan ako dadaan ito?
It's too heavy. I need to find some help.
My God, bilisan mo! Bago bumalik yung mga ano.
Okay, the guards are gone.
Mantimo ikonikan, naman!
Ayan.
It's too heavy. I need to find some help.
Inday, ayan na nga.
This won't work. Both levers need to be held open if I'm gonna get inside. I need someone else. This won't work. Both levers
to.
need to be held open if I'm gonna get... Don't be alarmed. I'm a friend of Unaratu's. I'm trying to free the prisoner and I need your help.
Leti ishik. Sep, enkinje katik le holo.
Ayan. Sige, go.
Naman sansehko!
Bukas. Ang bagal. Ay, sorry. Apurado eh, no?
Nenkineki totatsin.
Don't worry. I'm a friend.
Amonik pilla no wampoyowa. Kenta titlachia.
Trust me. I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing. Your daughter's waiting. Can you walk?
Ayan na.
Kayara,
Ayla.
Kayara, Shia. Shia iwan shimomanawi. Nimitsasitiyok.
I'll find us a way out of here.
Naman amonik innamiki. Inin wakaoke.
Ayan.
Through here.
Tara, takas na. Dali.
Stay close.
Inin tlenwewe tepeshit. Nikan. Kayara no pania.
Teka lang ha. Tumatakas kami dito. Wait, magbabackread ako in the bit.
Neofli. Lenkalteno kitsaktoke.
Ay nako, nakalak na naman.
Manikdemos. Iwan nikaksis.
If we work together, we can move this stone.
Nibolal. Ikil tanok takten lebejo.
You helped.
Mayoksal le helkin waliko. Letibekil tibasha kanano. Utialin chupul palil. Kam le shotoba utial kachin watan.
Oh, wow. Finely crafted knife. Knife upgraded. Harvest more resources from animals. Wow. Even though I don't know what that's for. Okay. 6.6k pa na. Talaga ba? 9k na daw sabi ni ano, ni John.
Ayokeman.
Ayan na. Yung anak niya.
Chinichtlapopoliwi no siwapil. Nimitsitas. Nayo keman nimitskautewas. Shiwala. Matiyikan tochan.
Nakakatawa naman. Sabi ko kanina, hindi na ako magsa-side quest. Mag-main quest na lang ako. Pero ayan, ang kulit ko. Tara na nga, bumalik na nga tayo sa pag-rescue sa, sa Reyna. Go drag queen. Hindi ka sali na. Pag may boat. Oy, ano yung stay fix?
Chenle nokbal kun sanobjetel.
Ayan, dito ulit tayo
Innocent
pinapasok.
eyes will blink at dawn when weakness falls away.
Geluveita la mane.
Ay, okay, may password. Okay, ayan, nasa loob na tayo. Medyo naglalag nga lang.
Amaru, remember who you are.
I am one of you.
Yeah. Is that why you had me arrested?
If my brother was alive, rest his soul.
Yeah, he will think this bickering is a waste of time.
Ito yung Reyna, oh.
Come home.
I am home. This is home. Naruto, dream for a moment. How will Paititi prosper when Dawn comes in a world without threats coming from the outside?
Aren't you such a threat? Remake the world? We all create destiny together as we are.
Everything I've ever done has been for Paititi. Everything. When it was divided, I unified it. I am the only one who sees the real threat here.
You come and go as if your life here is optional.
Yes. I have lived the outside world and I have seen what's to come. Every day it encroaches. Paititi will not survive its invasion.
Ano mo?
Everything we are
Threat?
will be taken or destroyed.
Well, then we must fight for it together, according to the will of its people.
By restoring the sun. That will only ensure Paititi's safety for a moment. But then, it doesn't protect us from discovery, invasion. Our destiny is to be doomed. No! No! We must be bold, decisive. I need your intelligence, your resilience in my work.
A world ruled by the cult of Gokulkan? Or should I say Trinity?
If it's control you want, you can have it. Just help me now ensure Paititi's safety, and then, by all means, you can govern it as you wish. I will give you the throne. I will do it.
I will find the box and restore the sun. May its light be your judge.
Why do you think so little of me? Take her back to her son.
Wait lang ha. Masyado akong nadadala dito sa ano eh. Pagtatalo nila eh.
You can send me back, but I will never betray your people.
No, you will just fail them. The box is gone.
Ha?
The missionary, Andres Lopez. He stole it 400 years ago.
What?
You just wasted your life searching in the wrong place. Leave me now.
Ha? Paano nawawala yung box? Okay, madam. Alam na kung nasaan. Ay, talaga? Sino may kamukha? Si Amaro? Talaga? Parang ano nga? Parang medyo familiar. Pero, teka, si Sylvester Stallone? Medyo hawig niya, no? Kinuha daw. Oo nga eh. Kasi, kailangan niya yung dagger at yung box. Yun yung gagawa nung remaking the world. Tinry kuhain ni Lara yung dagger, pero nanakaw yun sa kanya nun ni Amaro. So, hinanap niya yung box, pero wala na yun sa original niyang lugar, original niyang place. So, yun pala yung dahilan kung bakit wala siya sa ano niya, sa pinakalagayan niya, sa pinaka-location niya. May missionary palang umagaw or kumuha. And we all acknowledge that.
Jonah, I know where she is. I'm going in.
Okay, we're on our way. Did you feel the tremor before?
Yeah, when I was in the cenote, it was a foreshock. The earthquake is coming soon. We have to
Ay,
hurry.
oo nga pala.
When we get Unuratu out, we'll all go find the box together.
Kaya, kinuha niya yung dagger, tapos nag-umpisa yung mga sakuna. Takti doon ako na-stress sa batang nalaglag dun, nung binaha yung town.
All full up.
Naloka ako. Hello. Makipagtsikahan lang kayo dito. It's more than enough. So, thank you. Ah! I'm in a relationship. Pero, kaya ko pagurin dali. Uy! Ano yan? Kaya ko pagurin daliri. Kakalay. Uy, wait! Teka lang, mangamatay si Lara. Make it fast. Ayan!
That was close.
By the way, anong handa nyo Naghanda ba kayo ng Pasko? Naghanda ba kayo? Manghingi sana ako. Charot. Mukhang madulas yung no?
All full up.
Yung bato kasi basa. Medyo natakot ako doon ng slide. Wala ako sa bahay ng Pasko. Ay, nasan ka? Where have you been all? Ay po! Gaga!
Begin Waltin Buyak, Wabash te Tankabo, Hetz Bash, o Katopultik. Tinwalik Tech, Jambash Timbuyak, Tutsi, Gabetin Lipsi Kimbao, and Wapu Yontan, Ulat Pateli, Tuhahi.
Impossible. I can't carry anymore.
Kami yung hinanda lang namin ng Pasko, yung ham na pinamigay ng barangay. Kasi para tipid sa
Impossible. I can't carry
sa
anymore.
New Year na kami naghahanda. Ha? Wait, bakit dalawa yung daanan? Anong meron dito? Ay, kumusta Pasko nyo? Ako may trabaho ako nun eh. Pasko sa trabaho. Pero work from home naman ako. So, ayun. Paskong may shift. Okay, saan ba tayo dadaan? Sa left or sa right? Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Ay, aabot ba ako dun? Ano feeling ko hindi? Okay, we're choosing this side. Kahit na hindi ko alam kung anong meron dito. I'm not even sure if we are going the right way.
across the river, almost at the prison. There are guards everywhere.
We're heading towards the river. Get back to you when we're there.
Okay.
Grabe. Yan o, kaya ang lakas-lakas ni Lara. Ngayon yung mga inaakit niya. Napakaakit bahay nitong babae. Giving niya the lights. Ayan na! Bakit tulala ang madam?
I know. I will be forced to join my mother. Everything I fought for since Heidi's death will be lost.
I won't let that happen. Come on, let's go.
We're out of time.
Nagre-relax.
So many
Ang ano.
boxes. If the sun is not recharged, or the world we made, all of us will be destroyed.
I found another clue.
Maybe.
The tattoos on your arm with the heron and the eclipse. The same symbols were found engraved on the altar where the box was taken. What do the symbols mean?
This one shows my destiny. The crimson fire of Chachi. And this one claims my past. It symbolizes Chinchichica, the last true emperor of Paititi. His tomb is in the upper district.
Can you take me there?
They're all over that tomb. If there's anything there, they would no doubt have found it already.
Amaru doesn't have this clue. He doesn't know what to look for.
He's going to be crawling with guards.
I'll find our way around them.
It would be dangerous.
Nire-reassure talaga ni Lara eh. No?
And there's no time to waste.
Ang taray.
How is Edsel?
Safe.
O nga no,
Let me
number
find
1 ka na no.
You should be with Uchu now.
Teka lang ha, CCR lang ako. Inom na rin ako ng tubig. Okay guys, stay hydrated. Uminom din kayo ng tubig. Drink your water, baby. Aray. So, ayun na nga, Ian. Nasa kay Amaru na yung dagger. Kasi ninakaw niya yun kay Lara. Pero yung box, hindi nila alam kung nasaan. Inagaw daw siya ni Andre Lopez. Pakihanap nga yung Andre Lopez na yan. Papagalitan ko. Joke lang. Missionary daw siya and matagal na daw niya kinuha yun. Kung nag-chat ka, bigla ka makakakuha ka ng forms. Ganun? Yan ba yun? Parang iba na yung patakaran ng...
Jonah, I'm with Unuratu.
Oh, good. Edsel wants to talk to her.
Mother, we're sending backup. Should I support Guchu or use the distraction to seize territory?
You're in charge while we're separated, Edsel. Trust your instincts.
Ay, grabe.
Lechkanan koele lo putsi, achpila wicho.
In charge? Ang bata-bata pa ni Edsel. Wait, saan ko ititira to? Ay, Ed pala. Let's go zip!
Putsi, leisha kaunuratu, putsi.
Wala, nahanap nila yung Reyna. Huli ka dito. O, diba? Ang fierce naman pupunan ng Reyna nyo.
All full up. Can't carry anymore.
Teka, saan ba? Kala ko hindi ako aabot. Wisit.
Tulaka Pikuchil! Bash lehelo, telo, ichi lechi wobo, shenawile.
Wisit. Teka, pumapatay ako dito. Sorry, I'm busy. Oh my God! Oh, diba?
Let's go.
Madali pa ma-hit yung head ni Lara Saga. Let's go, madam. Teka lang.
This describes something nearby. A once ferocious warrior, raised as a warning. I fell from his mouth and now lie beneath him.
Okay, tama na yan. Duolingo mo, Lara. Let's go.
I think we're clear.
Let's go.
Grabe naman kasi. Ah, puto! Ano na yan? Pinalapa sila sa unang hato. Tahimik muna ako. Tap-tap lang ako. Ay, go lang. Tap-tap well, John.
Take this key.
Galing! Ano yun, susi?
Come. I want to show you something.
Oh my God, Slay. Nakabalat kayo na din si ano, madam.
Once it is here, the box must be opened. Temptation of the box is so powerful, it will pull me toward it and tempt me with a fantasy, an easy way to solve our problems. But it will only show me my strongest, most secret desires. I have prepared my whole life to resist it. Amaru has not yet seen the box, but already its power corrupts his mind. Paititi is its people and can only survive by our will together.
So, if Amaru remakes Paititi his way, it's like he destroys it.
Yes. We face many threats from the outside, but risk is a part of life. We must confront it to remain true to ourselves.
How do you know you'll be able to resist the power once you have it?
I don't. But if my training fails me, the Crimson Fire will guide me
Slay.
and hold me to my promise.
Pay ano.
We should.
Hindi mo na narinig dyan. Kanina pa binabanggit yung pangalan ng syudad
It is
nila.
my destiny. It's connected to the sacrifice of Kukulkan. When the Crimson Fire smokes, seek your mirror. It's a powerful force of accountability. That's all I know.
Do any of those
Ito yung syudad ng
creatures ever
Paititi.
find their way in here?
Creatures?
They attack. In the caverns around Paititi, they were in conflict with Trinity. And
Ay,
the altar
nabanggit
where the
na yung
box was
ano.
taken, they came after me.
Do you mean the Yashil?
They were tall and fast, hungry, almost desperate.
I would not call them creatures. They're more than that.
Yung mga tiyanok. May na-encounter ako mga, parang mga tiyanok. Oo, syudad ng Paititi. Syudad siya kasi malaki. Malaki ang Paititi. Mga bird, alis muna ako, may pupuntahan lang. Uy, gabi na. I mean, madaling araw pala. Pero ingat ka, stay fixed. Thank you so much for
What
being here.
happened to the Yashil?
There are many legends. Long ago,
Alice well.
but they teach those much for the safety to them.
They protect it.
I don't know if that's their intention, but their actions have that effect.
They don't ever attack the city.
No. We have always lived in cooperation. I think Amaru might be planning a public sacrifice.
Of a rebel. We have to stop it.
No, not unprepared. Not at the expense of others. The warrior will be very
Madam, nasan ka na? Nasaan na yung Reyna?
Uy, ich meken isin.
hanggang sa susunod na pangungupa. Tama yan, tama yan. Mabilis ko yan. Hoy, ingat-ingat. Baka madilim pa sa labas, ha?
Impossible. I can't carry anymore.
Nasaan na yung Reyna? Nawawala yung Reyna. Ayun. Okay, stay fixed. Thanks so much for the
The
follow.
crowd could turn on us. This way.
Ayun ay public execution.
Junkinesh, Huchkilich, Oltonish.
Threaten our safety, preservation. Their leader, the
Ay.
traitor, Murat, your fallen queen, is in my custody.
Grabe, no?
But it is not too late to save them. Today, we offer a sacrifice to Kukulkan
Come.
as a
See
prayer
what he
for
does.
protection as the eclipse draws near. This sacrifice, Trevor's life will be redeemed. May all his fellows see the light and rejoin us.
Oh my god. Gago.
Emily said he wanted an end to violence.
He sees it as a means to an end.
Ang sama. Kahit na kanina pa pumapatay si Lara din ng mga guards.
Come.
This rebel sacrifice, it will trouble us again.
All these people believe him.
They are afraid, and with good reason.
Okay.
Not much farther. The tomb is beyond that door.
Kaya pala parang nasakop niya yung yung city nila.
Come.
Magaling, madam. Sumimple lang tayo dun.
Waletelo,
Innocent eyes will blink at dawn when weakness falls away.
Kubeita Laman.
Oo, di ba? May password.
The tomb is up there, on that statue. I'll watch the gate.
I won't be long. Jonah, we're close to the Emperor's tomb.
We're by the river, ready to get you and Unaratu out of there.
Ayan, may
Let me know
backup
when
tayo.
you're ready.
Note mo kami. Ay, syempre naman. I will never forget you guys. Mga top fans. Madam, anong sasakyan ko para umakyat?
Don't carry anymore.
Mag-parkour. Di ko nga alam kung saan magpa-parkour dito eh. Wala akong maakyatan. Unuratu, tulungan mo ko saan yung Ay, ito pala. Ay, hindi, palabas to eh. Parang feeling ko magkakaroon ng matinding laban dito. Nakakalat yung mga pasabog, yung mga ganun. Teka, dito ba yung daan? O baka mamaya mali pala ako ah. Di ba kasi dito sila dumaan? Paloob. Walang paparkuran si Lara dito. Forbidden method. The YouTube jutsu. Teka, hindi, mahanap natin yan. Tiwala lang. Paano kung pasabugin ko to? Wala nangyari. Nasayang lang yung pasabog. Ayan! Putik! At andun lang pala. Ang simple ng daanan. Oh my goodness. Nakakahiya. I'm so dumb. Hindi ko deserve yung 11k likes. Charot! Charot, sorry na. Oo nga eh. Todo libot ako niya. Pero tingnan natin. We're already here. Malapit na tayo sa ano. Sa tamang daan. Ayan. O diba? Let's go. Pasukin ng tomb. Pasukin ng tumbong. Ay! Grabe no, climbing talaga. Ang climbing. Angas.
Good. Now to get in.
Ah! Pinakakaba mo ako, Inday.
That looks like my way in.
Laura, where are you?
The Emperor's tomb. I almost have what we need.
We'll be ready.
Ano to? Wait, pwede siyang ma-interact? What?
Impossible. I can't carry anymore.
A cloth! Okay, material lang pala. Ayan na! Okay, don't tell me may puzzle pa dito ah.
The Inca influence is unmistakable.
Yan na ba yun?
The last Emperor's tomb. The plot must have taken root after his death. Okay, the eclipse and the heron. What am I missing? Wait, did Lopez leave this?
What? Ano yan?
The heart of the serpent is in the cup.
Ano yun? Ay, putik. Sinasalakay na sila. Ay! Uy, Chilimansi! Hello, welcome! Oh, Merry Christmas din sa'yo. Salamat, salamat. Kumusta yung imong Pasko? So, ayun lang ginawa niya sa tomb. Sinilip niya lang. Ay, gagal. Ayan!
This is Commander Rourke.
Si Rourke!
Got a lead on the box. Send a team for Croft.
Gago.
Give this to Exley. He's a rightful heir. He must lead Paititi.
Madam, masyado pang bata si Etzli para mag...
What's wrong? His spirit is so noble as his blood.
Don't go. Keep talking to me.
Box. He will tempt you. Resist. We all create our destiny.
Teka. Ah. Ano ba yan? Na-shake pa siya agad. Since na-capture siya, hindi man lang niya nakita si Etzli. Yung anak niya, oh my god. Teka lang, na-shock ako. Yung iba, na okay lang yan. Sa Olorante, paghihiganti natin siya. Parang ang OM pagkaka-deliver ko na. Mamamatay silang lahat. Simula sa'yo. Ah, putik. Ah, wag po. Teka. Kulit nyo ah. Nasaan yan? Takte! Wow! Hindi ko na mamalayan, nandyan na sila malapit. Kulit nyo ah. Ang dami nyo masyado. Okay, wala na ba? Sige, hanapin mo ko. Nasaan ka ba? Silip ka pa ha. Tinamad na ako. Okay lang yan dyan. Rest ka na muna dyan. Good job sa likes. Ayan, mas stress ka muna kasama ako dahil sinegpay nila yung Reyna. Naiinis ako.
I don't have enough space for that.
Yung anak niya masyado pang bata para maging leader nitong ano nila, tribo nila.
Where are you?
I'm down by the docks.
I see you.
Ang tagal naman nila, Jonah.
On my way.
Ay, aalis na sila.
Where's Unuratu?
We were attacked. She died fighting Trinity.
My God.
Oh no.
Paano niyo sasabihin to kay Etzli? Ayan. Ayun na yung bata.
Where is my mother?
Your mother.
She fought hard. But that's the leaders. I mean,
It belongs to you.
She was a warrior.
The eclipse draws near. If we cannot restore the sun,
I'll find the box. I won't let the cult of Kukulkan Khan get to it fast.
begin the preparations for the burial chamber. Queen Unuratu will live on within us. Uchu, assist them with the boat.
Ay, oh.
We will prepare for Vara. The rebellion must succeed.
We'll be back with the box.
Wait lang, ba't parang...
We'll be ready when we return.
Parang ang nonchalant ni Etzli dun, ah.
So what's next?
I'll head back to Kwakyaku. Regroup and take it from there.
Ay. Diyos ko, ang dami nangyari.